Welcome! In front of me is an Honor 9D Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. So, to get started, I'm gonna begin by locking the device. Just so I can also mention that this will allow you to remove a screen lock if you have one set that you might not remember, or maybe your child set it up. Whatever the case may be, this will get rid of it. Unfortunately, it will also get rid of all the data, if you have anything on your phone that you would like to preserve. Yeah, I don't have a solution that will solve both of these problems at the same time. Now, to get started, all you will need to do is hold your power button. From here, select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, you should see the Honor logo on the screen. At which point you want to let go of the power button, keep holding volume up, and when the Honor logo disappears from the screen, you can also let go of the volume up. From here, we're gonna select Clear Data and then Factory Reset. This will prompt us to confirm that we want to reset the device, which we do by typing in yes. Like so, and then select Factory Reset. This process only takes a couple seconds. I think it gets like 10 or 20%. There we go. At which point it's automatically finished. So here we're gonna select back, restart. This will reboot the device and continue the process of resetting it in the background. Once it's finished, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. This might take a minute or two to finish up, so just be patient. Anyway, I'm gonna let this run through and come back once it's finished for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.